In today's video, I'll be showing you how to deposit money on Prizepicks. Now, this can be done on the Prizepicks website on your PC, or it can be done on the app on your phone, so it doesn't actually matter which device you're using. But to start with, you want to head over to Prizepicks. From there, if you're not yet logged into your account, you just want to log in by going into the top right corner and clicking this login button. And from there, you'll be logged into your account and you'll actually be able to see your balance in the top right corner right here. And just next to that, there's a little plus button, and we can begin depositing money by clicking this button. Now, if you haven't yet verified your ID, this is something you will have to do first so that they can verify your age and make sure that you are able to actually use Prizepicks. So you'll only need your government issued ID as well as your smartphone for that. And if you have not yet done this, you will have to do this first, and you can simply start by clicking get started and by following the instructions on the screen. Now, once you have successfully verified your account and your ID, when you click that deposit button, you'll be taken to a page that looks something like this, and you'll be able to add funds via a credit or debit card, instant bank transfer, PayPal, or Apple Pay. So from here, you can use the option that's most convenient to you. So in this photo here on the right, this is actually what it will look like if you choose credit or debit card as the payment method. And what you have to do in this scenario is put in your card number and all your card details, as well as your deposit amount. And from there, you can click deposit $100 or whatever amount you want. And as long as the details you entered are correct, it will then take that deposit amount out of your credit or debit card and it will add it into your Prizepicks account. Now, the process will be similar for the other options. Of course, if you choose PayPal, you're going to have to log into your PayPal account. So you just want to choose the payment method that you find easiest. And from there, it is very simple to add the funds into your account. So that's exactly how you can deposit money onto Prizepicks. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say it helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.